Hello. I would like to take a few minutes to show you the AR Collections module for Traverse. This short video is designed to help you to understand and use the AR Collections module and to make collections an easier process for you and your company. Let's begin with the setup of the module. Go to Accounts Receivable module in Traverse, select Settings and Maintenance, and then open the Customer tab. Once in the Customer tab, go to the toolbar and click the icon for Document Delivery. There has been a new document type added called AR Collect. Enter the information needed in the grid as you would any other document delivery. The AR Collection document type can only be set via email, so when setting up the AR Collection document, you must choose a delivery method of email. Then enter the contact's name and email address in the corresponding fields. Enter the subject that will be used in the subject line of the email header. Then set the attachment format to PDF. You can add deliveries to others as well if multiple copies are needed to be sent to various people. After the form is completed, then save and close the document delivery window. Repeat this process for all of your customers that you plan to send collection letters to. Once you have set the document delivery for your customers, close the Customer tab. The next step is to write your collection letters. Do this by selecting Collection Letters in the Setup and Maintenance menu. Here we have two samples of collection letters. One is a reminder and the other a final notice. When creating a new letter, enter the letter ID and the description, then begin writing the body of the form letter below on the left side of your screen. The replacement variables on the right side of your screen will be used to customize the letter to each customer. Review the replacement variables when writing your collection letter and insert them where you need them. There is also a toolbar for the form letter that will give you options to align the text, bold, highlight, and underline. You can also change the font and font options, including text color. These letters are sent through the document delivery that you have set up, so you can use the replacement variable delivery name to address the person directly. Another variable that should be used to add to the letter is the table view of invoices. This will insert a table with the invoices listed for the customer that is being addressed by the letter. You can also add payment information, including hyperlinks to the body of your email if needed. You can have as many standard collection letters that you wish, from friendly reminders to legal action will be taken. Here's a sample of the final notice. Once you have completed each letter, save and close. Now let's move to the process of sending the collection letters. In Accounts Receivable, open Invoice, select Collections. Here is a very recognizable screen with the full filtering and grid view layout. We have added a few fields to the filtering, including age days, amount due, and days due to the filter to add more possibilities in the way you send your letters. For this demonstration, let's run the filters wide open. The list of receivables are listed below. This list includes everything from invoices due to credit memos and adjustments. Let's group now by the customer ID and view just one customer. Then you can select which receivable you would like to include for the letter. There is a hold column that will hold that particular line item and will not include it in the letter even though the collect box is checked. Next, select a base letter. This base letter will be applied to all line items selected. You can change the letter on an individual line by going to the letter column below and selecting a different letter. Now for this company, they will receive 2 letters, a reminder that will include 4 items, and a final notice for the other transaction. After reviewing, click Print on the toolbar. Traverse will then send the collection letter to the client contact that is set to receive the collection letters. Here is the reminder email that was sent. You can see how the replacement variables entered the proper information into the letter. The name, number of invoices, and the invoice table are all correctly entered. The Our Collection module also generates a reprint of the invoices and attaches them to the email. In this case, we have a credit memo and an invoice that is attached. There were also 2 items that were selected where there was no corresponding invoice or credit memo available. Back over in Traverse, you will receive a message that the emails were sent. And here's the other email for the final notice. It also has the invoice table and the attachments just like the reminder. Now, in the AR Collections tab, you will see that the last collection date has been updated in the table view. A record of the emails that were sent is also recorded in the customer file. Click the note icon in the top right corner to view and review the notes. Thank you for taking a few minutes to see the AR Collection module for Traverse.